If you liked this video, help me with a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The medicinal virtues of Brahmi or Bacopa are based primarily on indications that transcend Indian Ayurveda practice, for which there is an important documentary source. On the other hand, various clinical and pharmacological trials are being developed that are providing scientific consistency to some of its therapeutic attributions, but among the scientific community there does not seem to be a unanimous agreement on its efficacy, and more evidence is awaited. We break down the main applications and benefits of Bacopa for health below. Support to reduce the symptoms of Alzheimer's and other dementias associated with old age, amnesia, memory loss, confusion, disorientation, difficulty expressing oneself coherently, and so on. Progressive memory loss and disorientation are some of the first symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, present in other types of dementia as well. In various experiments with double-blind tests, such as the one carried out in patients older than 55 years with significant memory deficits, to whom one half had been administered Bacopa extract, and the rest, a placebo, better results were appreciated in the first group after a treatment of 8 to 12 weeks. They were observed to be more retentive in capturing new information and a decrease in the tendency to forget in the short and medium term. On the other hand, it did not show any outstanding effect that helped them in the learning process. It is possible to consult, among others, the abstracts dedicated to Bacopa published by the team of Indian nationality formed by Rakesh Tiwari, Kaustubh and others, under the title, Neurocognitive Effect of Nootropic Drug Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri, in Alzheimer Disease, U.S. National Library of Medicine. On the other hand, other sources question its efficacy as a memory enhancer in older people already affected by neurodegenerative processes, but they would instead be granted a certain action on healthy older people. It has also been indicated as a memory enhancer in children aged 6 to 8 years, and as a support to improve eye-hand, hand-eye coordination movements. Possible positive effect of Bacopa extract to decrease the levels of beta-amyloid protein fiber deposits in the brain, responsible for the degenerative process of brain mass and the irreversible loss of mental faculties. It would also prevent the plates already formed from being able to spread. This effect would open up hope in the fight against Alzheimer's, but more studies are required to prove its real efficacy. Information can be found in Bacopa monnieri extract reduces amyloid levels in mice, a mouse trial by Holcomb, Hitt et al., or in Matthew M. Subramanian S. evaluation of the anti-amyloidogenic potential of nootropic herbal extracts in vitro, published in the International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research. Bacopa powder Bacopa, in extracts, has been indicated as a stimulant of the central nervous system and as an anxiolytic, to mitigate depressive processes and anxiety states in elderly people affected by possible incipient degenerative disorders, according to the results of a study by Calabresi et al., the abstract of which was published in the U.S. National Library under the title Effects of a Standardized Bacopa monnieri Extract on Cognitive Performance, Anxiety and Depression in the Elderly. Bacopa could also promote blood flow to the brain and reduce the risk of vascular accidents, such as strokes, common in neurodegenerative processes such as Alzheimer's. Bacopa extract is a natural source of bioactive principles with antioxidant and vasodilator effects, such as flavonoids and saponosides, which can reduce coronary risk and delay cellular aging. Laboratory tests with mice have been implemented. Bacopa extracts, taken in 5-month treatments, may help reduce the intensity and frequency of seizures. However, there is no conclusive information in this regard, but it does appear as a useful remedy in this case in traditional Ayurvedic practice. Ayurveda medicine also points to Bacopa for treating mental illness, anxiety, phobias, and depression. It is also used to relieve nervous indigestion, the presence of gas and constipation. In China it is taken as a yang tonic to promote fertility. Bacopa in Ayurvedic medicine is indicated as a useful anti-inflammatory to treat asthma and bronchitis. In Southeast Asian countries, Bacopa is used to cure tropical infections caused by worms. In the Caribbean, Bacopa is used, in the form of friction, topically, to relieve joint pain in rheumatic processes such as arthritis.